Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Rabby Wallet to the core blockchain. Okay, so once you have Rabby Wallet ready to go, click on your extensions and click on Rabby Wallet. Then at the bottom right, you'll see it's connected to the Ethereum blockchain. And you can't change blockchains right now because it says no dApp found. So let's go to a dApp on core. I'm now at Colend. Type in colend.xyz in order to come to this dApp. And now once we're at a core dApp, we can go back and click on Rabby Wallet. And then at the bottom right, click on Ethereum and instead type in core. And right there's core. Click on that. And as it says, it's still not connected. So you have to click on the question mark and click on this MetaMask mode and turn that on. Now we're going to launch the app right here at the top right. And when this pops up, you're going to click on use MetaMask. And then you'll get this notification from Rabby and you'll click on connect. All right, as you can see from the top right, your wallet is now connected to Colend. And this should work for any core dApp. So if you go to glyph.exchange and you click on connect wallet, then click on Rabby Wallet, connect once again. There you go. Now you're connected to Glyph Exchange as well. So if it doesn't offer Rabby Wallet, make sure to just click on MetaMask. But if it does offer Rabby Wallet, obviously just click on that. I hope that was a good tutorial for how to connect Rabby Wallet to the core blockchain. It's super simple. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below. But if not, I hope you all have a good day. I'll see you all in the next video.